Good morning everyone, I am Hemant Mehta and in today's session we are going to discuss about the JSTL functions. JSTL includes a number of standard functions, most of which are common for the string manipulations. If you want to use the functions, you need to provide the URI, that is a %tagleap. Prefix would be fn and the URI would be javasun.com/JSP JSTL functions. These are the functions. Prefix would be fn. If you want to check the test if an input string contains the specified substring or not, you can use the contains. And if you want to check the substring is contained or not, but you want to ignore the case, you can use a contains ignore case method. If you want to test if an input string ends with the specific suffix or not, you can use the ends with method. You are having a escape XML method. This function escapes characters that could be interpreted as XML markup language. So it will identify whether the given string is treated as XML or not. That is a escape XML. Index of, it returns the index of within the string of a first occurrence of the specified substring. So if I'm having HEMN, if I'm giving some index, it will give me the first occurrence index of the given letter. Then you are having a join. If you want to join all the elements of an array into the string, you can use a join. You are having a length, it will return the number of items in a collection or the number of characters in a string. Replace, if you want to replace a string resulting from replacing an input string to all occurrence with the given string. So if I want to replace Hemant Mehta, so E will be replaced with the some other letters. So whenever the E is available, it will be replaced by the some another letter. Split, if you want to split a string into an array substring, starts with test if an input string start with the given prefix or not. Then the substring returns a subset of a string. Substring after returns a subset of a string following a specified substring. Substring before returns a subset of a string before a specific substring. To lowercase, it will convert all the characters into the lowercase. To uppercase, it will convert all the letters into the uppercase. And the to trim, that's the only trim, removes the white space before and after of the string. This is all about the function. Let's see the demo, the function demo. Okay, I have created one project for you, JSTL function demo. In my JSP file, I'm first of all going to mention that we are going to use the prefix of like a core and the function. So I'm just going to mention prefix equal to C, fn and the corresponding URI for the core and the function. Now, first of all, I am just going to set one variable, namely where. It is having a value, example showing the usage of JSTL function. Okay, now I'm going to apply the function over this variable where. So I want to check the length. I'm just going to set $fn : length, but whose length you want to compute? That, let's say variable where. So just pass the argument of the variable, that is a where. It will give the total length of the string, let's say 36 for example. Now I want to check whether JSTL is a substring of the given input string or not. So I will use f::contains. I will say this is my input stream where, and what I want to check is a substring, that is a JSTL, but it is a case sensitive, right? So it will check with the case sensitive. Now if I want to convert to uppercase, I am just going to use function : to uppercase. What I want to convert into the uppercase, the given string. The string is available in the variable var. Now sorry, splitting the string into the string array using a split function and returning the array length. So first of all, I'm going to apply the split function, that is my inner function over here, this one, right? Function split variable, I'm going to split with the white space. So I'm having a 1 2 3 4 5 6. In my string there are 5 spaces, so it will create a 6 sub arrays of type character, and on this I'm going to apply the length function. On this output I'm going to apply the length function, so it will give me the total number of count of the substring arrays. so it would be 6. Okay, let me run this file, so we will get the output. Right, total length is 39. It contains JSTL, that is a true. This is converted into the uppercase, and total length would be 6. So this is the output for the functions. Thank you.